I'm the first president of the USA, and I make cars clean like every day. I speak soft and carry a big stick. Your car will look sick when I'm done with it.
I freed the slaves. My beard is black. I'll emancipate the dirt from this hatchback.
Presidential, 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 presidential car wash. I wrote the Declaration of Independence. I'ma wax this minivan with a vengeance. My sideburns are real. For shovel, sucking up dirt with my vacuum nozzle.
I veto streaks with my buffing technique. Buff, buff, buff. I'm a buffing freak.
If you're riding dirty, just drop on in. Holla back, homeboy, when you're dirty again. Presidential, 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 presidential car wash. Holla, 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 holla.
Make it rain, Roger.
I'm making it rain.
No one makes it rain like Roger. Don't hate the player. And don't hate the car wash also.